JC1 and 2XO, we're on statewide.
I bet this thing is picking up RF overload from WSYB. It runs something like, I don't know what the nighttime power is, 5,000 watts. It's 10,000 watts in the daytime. It's only about a mile and a half away, so there's no radio stations this low, but hey, yeah, I'm getting overloaded by RF. Front end overload. Radtel RT860. Got it go to 30 megahertz, if you can see that. And if we push the next button up, it starts down at 2 megahertz. Push that backwards, goes to 30. So you got from 2 megahertz to 30 megahertz AM. I take it back. Lower sideband, upper sideband, CW, receive. I think you can also do AM, so no FM though. Not sure if that's intermod, cross mod, or 710 OR. I don't know where the hell 710's out of. Here in Rutland, we got 1380 WSYB, but well, it was just picking something up. It said 733-7833 as a phone number. I don't know where 733 is, but come on, focus. The RT860, I have a zone called SSB SW or CW, and I put some 10 meter, 6 meter, 2 meter, 220, and 440 single sideband CW frequencies in there. And then the channels, if I can get there, probably not there in that area, but anyways, I added them in here under SSB. And let me show you the radio. And the radio is scanning single sideband channels. Whether it's sensitive enough to pick something up, it'll break to squash, which is set to 1 in the radio, who knows, but it's doing it. So you can scan a zone and put single sideband and CW frequencies into it. How do you listen to CW frequencies? Hopefully in single sideband mode. Most transceivers will listen to single sideband and upper sideband, so hopefully this thing can do it.
Turns out one movie ever made in television. And it's called Patrolling the Ether. Patrolling the Ether. 20 minutes long, and it's a riot. If you've never seen that, go find it on the internet. You can watch it on your computer screen in black and white. What? Go ahead, tell me your 3 digits. On the way home or already home, that would be great. And I would echo everything you said, Carl. I had double hernia that I had to have repaired.
Ouch.
It was from for many years I played in the men's soccer league here and did it all my life. And at the age of 60, I was still out there chasing college kids around and scoring goals, believe it or not. But
Alpha 1.
Oh, you son of a gun.
PL 173.8.
Come on. Gonna be losing him. There he goes. Is he in Montana? Is that what he's trying to say? Fans don't seem to be in very good condition. E-cars, net control. I don't know where he's at, but he's not very strong. I'm listening to 13845 Worldwide Christian Radio. But I'm also picking up, sounds like one of their local radio stations around. I doubt the Worldwide Christian Radio has rock and roll music playing in the background. I don't know. There's no rejection of this thing.